音乐快乐。这个面包很干，你昨天干什么了？手都，我们都是汉语学生。长高，头发长，长头发。Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ting. Today we're going to answer this question: how to recognize polyphonic characters. How to recognize polyphonic characters? There are 3 steps. Okay, I hear some questions that you say, "Oh, teacher, can you just simply tell us how to recognize it? Why you have to tell us there are 3 steps?" Okay, don't worry, I'm going to tell you why. So, among the 3,500 commonly used Chinese characters, polyphonic characters account for 13.65%. This is why. This is something I cannot show you just simply in one sentence, okay? Because the range is that big. So how to master it eventually, that's why I give you 3 very simple steps. Okay, let's look at this one by one. So again, our topic is about polyphonic characters. In Chinese, we say 多音字. 多音字. And the first step is when you acquire the knowledge. Okay, what does it mean? So, when you learn a vocabulary, you not only learn the one vocabulary, you really have to know, oh, what is it? Is that a polyphonic character? A textbook or your tutor can give you such help, okay? So, since you got acquire the knowledge, meanwhile you have to know what it is. Is it polyphonic? This is for the first step. Our second step is look at the context. Okay, when you read the sentence or you do the reading, how to make sure which pronunciation you should say, right? Like 音乐快乐, it won't be 音乐快乐, right? So look at the context. This is the second step. Our last step is very, very important, is make a polyphonic list. Okay, how to do that? Well, you don't have to write down everything at once, but when you learn your Chinese journey, you do that as the additional part. You have a small notebook, and every time when you learn a polyphonic characters, you write there to your small notebook. Eventually, you will have a lot, and you just revise them from time to time, and you will feel that's so much clear next time when you do the reading sentence or do the reading. Okay, I know some of you would still say, "Oh, that's too hard." Teacher, do you have any idea, or do you know where can I get this polyphonic list? Don't worry, I have already prepared for you. So here are the commonly used 50 polyphonic characters I have already prepared for you. Number 1, 都, for example, we say 都是 something something. Second pronunciation, 都, 首都, okay. Then we have a way. Okay. This is the 50 commonly used polyphonic characters. If you're interested, watch to the end. I will tell you how to get it, okay. Okay. Speak of the pronunciation. Polyphonic is just a part. Actually, natives would stress different parts of Chinese sentences that make you feel hard to understand. People always ask, why is it so hard to understand when Chinese people speak quickly? Okay, because we would stress different part of the sentence, okay, depending on what meaning are you going to deliver or what emotion you are going to say. Okay, we would stress different part of the sentence. And also with the contractions, linking word stress that make you feel, oh, that's so hard to understand. Luckily, we already have such a lesson. If you want to know the real tricks to master Chinese pronunciation eventually, like native speakers, there is a link in the description box below. Or you can go to my homepage and you find this link where they are the same link, okay? So you can find this link. You can register a free webinar, a pronunciation webinar, okay? And in that webinar, I will show you the points that I won't tell on my channel because I want to prepare that for whom really want to communicate with the natives without worrying their tongues, pinyin, pronunciation problems. If you are just curious what I'm going to say, this is not for you because it needs you really have such desire and you have to follow me, practice with me to eventually master it. Okay, so good pronunciation will not like buying a product. You pay for it and you have it. Okay, it needs you to put effort. Okay, so after that, you will get the answer of speak the natural pronunciation, not the textbook one. Able to hear what people exactly say. They use contraction or linking. It won't be a problem for you anymore. Okay, I will introduce that. And since you master the authentic natural pronunciation, your Mandarin gonna be very elegant, much more beautiful, and more fluent. You will reach another level of your Mandarin. You will be so confident to talk to people. Okay, this is what you can achieve if you know these tricks, you know these points. Okay, so if you really want to improve your pronunciation, find the link below and register it for free. Okay, at the end, so this is how we get the polyphonic list. You can write an email to this address, put the code. I don't want to have problem with polyphonic characters, and you will receive the link to download the PDF and you can learn by yourself. Okay, thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe. See you.